All right, everybody. Good morning. Getting ready to start a new leg of our journey and enter into the world of refrigerant recovery. I've done this a long time ago. It's been a while. Went through some refreshers recently, and now we're going to test out our puncture valves on these water source heat pumps, and hopefully we get them on there right. And we've got all the equipment. We're gonna try to recover some Freon here. Gloves and glasses. I don't want those in case there's any kind of an accident. First thing we're going to do is try and get our valves on. I'm going to take these caps off. These are scrap, so I don't have to worry about saving this insulation or anything. Okay, here we go. You know what, I need to do it over here because I need to be able to actually reach this with a hose when I'm done. Wish me luck. Okay, I think we're in there. Doesn't seem to be leaking. That's a good first step. Alright, we're in. Time to get the rest of our equipment hooked up. Alright, so we've already gotten like 6 or so recovered. Got those last couple almost fully chopped up and scrapped out. And we are rocking our way through these machines, and it's going pretty well. It took a minute for me to get comfortable with it, but we're doing good now, and we're going to have these done before the end of the night, I do believe. Okay, we haven't finished chopping everything up, but we are done evacuating all of these units. And now let's see how much we recovered. This is a 26-pound tank. 26.9 actually, it's a 27-pound tank. Let's turn the scale on here. Throw this sucker up on the scale. It's definitely heavier than when it started. Alright, so that's almost 20 pounds. 26.9 pound tank. 46.15 pounds is what it weighs now. So if my math is correct, that's almost exactly 20 pounds. And this is 410A refrigerant. So not bad, not a bad start at all. Alright, so we just got done recovering 11 water source heat pumps, recovering 410A refrigerant, and I just wanted to sit down and talk with you guys for a second about that. I've had a handful of people assume that I was blowing this stuff in the wind, and I actually was not recovering. The technicians that I work for were recovering it for me, but people didn't believe that. And oddly enough, I was planning on doing this anyways because I've had people ask me if I would do it for them. And if you do it properly, there is some resale value of the gas. You can't sell it on the general market to just random people, but there are companies that actually recycle the refrigerant itself, clean it up, get it ready for use, and they can sell it to technicians and HVAC companies and whatnot. And so that is the next leg of the journey for me and my company. And you all were just witness to the first step on that journey. And for all the people that were doubting and throwing around accusations, I hope that is enough proof for you that I am not off-gassing, as they say, refrigerant. And we're going to be recovering a whole lot more in the days, weeks, and years to come. And I plan on making this a big part of my business. So, yeah, I hope that satisfies any of the doubters out there. And I hope that, we're doing some good here. When I got into this scrapping, it was because I was fairly broke and looking for a job, and I wasn't even thinking about the work itself. I wasn't thinking about the fact that it is a good thing to recycle. I got into this for the money. I have no shame in saying that. I have gotten successful at this, more comfortable in my life, somewhat more stable, and I'm starting to really think about the business itself and where it's going and what I'm doing, and I'm really starting to feel good about this. The more I learn, the more I do, the more I realize I can have a real impact on my community. And I like to think the world, but probably not that big. But it's a good thing to save this stuff, reuse it, keep it from being put out into the environment, and I'm feeling pretty good about this all around. So until next time, Gold Champ signing off.